Great, right? Now let's put the hinges back. Give me the hinge. Let's put it in. Let's make sure it's aligned on its place. It's going to be hot. Don't want to get burned. Yes, ma'am. The hinges are in place. Now we'll have to wait until everything here will cool down, and we will have hinges here for life. Guarantee. Okay, let's see now. I think it's perfect, right? Yeah. Clean up. Awesome. Awesome. That's how we fix hinges. Great. Oh, shut down the heat. Yeah, we're not going to need the heat no more. I think this is fairly strong now. It sure is strong. We'll remove the excess glue so it not bother the screen. Yes, ma'am. We are in good business. So this is out, and this is how we do it. That's how we fix complex hinges. Okay, let's see here. This is in. Have to remove this thingy as well. Yep, I think we're good. That's it. We're in business, dear. That's about it. This is, you can call it fixed. That's it. Thank you. Perfectly. We edged it up. Great. Let's just put the screws back in. Okay, I need help. Yeah, can you hold the screen? Yeah, thank you. Let's put the hinges back in. Okay, once I will have it. Okay, you can release it. Finished. Leave it. Thank you. We can now put it back in. Yes, it's perfect. Went perfectly. It's perfect. Awesome. The hinges are like, almost like new. Almost. Not like new, but almost. Yep. These are in. Put the second screw in. We're not going to connect the battery yet or the screen, but we are happy to say that the hinges will be like new one. This is two. And let's see. Hinges are perfect. We'll fix the others. The other issue, and we're done. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.